Mutino weragwo nduri njamba onjoria aria monjorithagia nyumba-ini ino ya Sarit Center ni matigirwo magitara hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca kumana na mwaki uria unyitire nduka imwe nyumba-ini ino mathaa-ini ma thaa 4 cia kiroko. Maabitha kuhurana na mwaki makigia na ihinda iritu kugeria kuhoria mwaki uyu. Kwa munyaka gutire mundu ugurarire kana gute muoyo wake kumana na mwaki uyu. Aria mauma hakuhi na mwaki uyu kiambiriria magitariria kiria monire.
We were all in the shop doing our business. At the moment it was around 10:30, 11 o'clock. We heard, the security people has already said, please go out. So we all went out, and then afterwards we were told by the security people there is a fire over there near the Copycat.
So we just saw smoke coming out from one of the shops, and we didn't think it was anything serious. Yeah, but just for precautions, we started closing the shop, and then we were asked to vacate.
Atongoria kuma mwena uyu makinyitanira na onjoria gutigirira mwaki uyu ni wahora.
Chemical fire is not easy because most of the things here are chemicals. People have got different business, and that's why we have told you, the firemen try put fire off at one particular point, and you see fire manifesting from another end, far point, whereby there are channels through the ceiling where the fire runs through, and you may see it burning another place.
We hope they are going to manage to control the fire not to spread any more than where it has. The management of Sarit Center have said that so far they have managed to contain, it has not spread to the ground floor. It's just up that at 6 shops have been destroyed.
OCPD wa Gigiri Vitalis Otieno niaugire uteithio wa kuhoria mwaki uyu ni utumirwo na ihenya undu umwe na kugacirithia ugitiri niguo kugitira indo cia onjoria.
We have officers inside with fire brigade safeguarding lives and property inside the building. And nobody is going to be allowed in the building.
Ona thengia ya gukorwo riboti egie guturika kwa mwaki uyu ni ikorirwo ikihurwo kwa ihinda riria riagiriire. Ahuria biashara thiini wa nduka ino nene ya Sarit Center marakorwo makiuria niki gicungiriire maabitha kuhurana na mwaki makorwo makioya ihinda ria makiria ya mathaa 5 kuhoria mwaki uyu. Kiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.